So hello friends, so in this video series we will learn about Power BI, what is Power BI and what is its use for. So Power BI is technology driven, like its definition is Power BI is a technology driven intelligence tool provided by Microsoft for analyzing and visualizing raw data to present actionable information. So when we will use Power BI, we can convert our data into from different sources and convert it into charts and in graphs, so that we can so that management can take decisions and find out what are the hidden patterns in the data and take decisions. So what are the reason like we need to have a Power BI and why people love it and why it's so popular? One of them, it's free. So Microsoft Power BI is free for users who stay under a 1 GB data limit. If you have a data which is less than 1 GB, then you can use Power BI free of cost. And otherwise its costing is not too much. It's very easily company can buy that. Drag and drop to create amazing visualizations. So you can connect to data source and drag and drop field from those source into your report. So it's very easy to use. You can just have to familiar with the dashboard of the Power BI, and you can just drag and drop from different places and make a different sheets which you which look very beautiful and which can help you out to find out the reports easily and understand them. Data refresh. Power BI link to many data sources and support regular data refreshes, enabling you to establish a connection to your real-time and daily data. Like if you are using a report of your share market, and that share market is having some information there and it's a real time, so with Power BI just putting a refresh in your button from your Power BI like in your Power BI tools, you can refresh your report and you get the live data there. So these are some of the example. Even if some companies making a sales and if they want to know about the real data, so whatever you do in your source data, that will be just converted into your reports and dashboards very easily. Mobile app, like you can access the reports of Power BI in mobile apps and the dashboard anywhere thanks to Microsoft Power BI app for Apple, Android and Windows mobile devices. You can use them in mobile very easily. View all of your data from a variety of sources in one location. So one of the best thing about Power BI is you can connect with different sources of data. Either it's in SQL, either it's in Excel, CVS, PDF, text file. So whatever sort of file you have, it can connect with 100 plus sources of data which are from different sources and connect them and make a very beautiful reports. Power BI desktop to build reports. So the best part is for creating reports from different sources. So installing the Power BI desktop, a free download from Microsoft, will enable you to connect to data source and create a beautiful reports on your desktops. Component of Power BI. Some of the component of Power Query. Power Query is basically for cleaning the data. Like if you have got the data which is not clean, we have to have null value. If it has some errors, so these data can be cleaned in Power Query. Power Pivot is basically for connecting data modeling. It is basically data modeling for connecting data from different sources and connected them in a one place, so that we can find out a beautiful report from them, and that can be handled to management and that can be visualized and show them. Power View. Power View is basically for reporting purpose. So what sort of report you need and what sort of charts or graphs you want to show, that can be through Power View. Power BI services is sending reports through different peoples through emails and other formats, so that they can have these reports easily on their desktops. So now how you can download Power BI. To download Power BI, we can just type powerbi.microsoft.com and you can download Power BI. So now to download Power BI, we just go to Google and type here Power BI download, and after typing that, we have this link here, Power BI Microsoft, powerbi.microsoft.com, and download. and then we will just click over this, and here we have advanced option here. So in Power BI desktop there is Power BI mobile and other things also, but we have to go to Power BI desktop and advanced options, and when we will go to advanced option, a new window will appear, and from here it will ask about download. So just click on this download here. So now they have two files. You just click here or there and just press next, and it will start downloading. So this is the way we can download, and after that we can we can click on the setup and set up our Power BI on desktop. So this is the way we can download Power BI.